Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, your uncompromising voice for truth, justice, and liberation. This marks a pivotal moment in the global stance against both the Nigeria Christian genocide and terror in West Africa.
Breaking news, Defense Minister Mohammed Badaru Abubakar has resigned. According to presidential spokesman Bayo Onanuga, Badaru told President Bola Tinubu he was quitting on health grounds. Channels Television confirmed the resignation on Monday, citing health concerns as the reason. Version 2, counter-narrative, Omoyele Sowore. But activist Omoyele Sowore insists Badaru did not resign voluntarily. He claims President Tinubu asked him to step aside to make way for former Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa, who is now set to be appointed Defense Minister. Sowore further alleges that the United States military under President Donald Trump is pressing for the removal of Minister of State for Defence Bello Matawalle, citing serious concerns over intelligence sharing and alleged links to bandits in Zamfara. This triggered narrative paints a very different picture of Nigeria's defense shakeup, one of forced exits, international pressure, and deep questions about loyalty and security. The full exposition posted on Omoyele Sowore's official Facebook handle says as follows: the useless defense minister, Mohammed Badaru Abubakar, did not resign. He was asked by Esiwaju Bola Tinubu to step aside to make room for former Chief of Defense Staff, General Christopher Musa, to be appointed defense minister. There are also strong indications that U.S. President Donald Trump's United States military is pressing for the removal of the equally ineffective and utterly useless Minister of State for Defense, Bello Matawalle, citing serious concerns over intelligence sharing and collaboration. Matawalle is widely accused of having links to bandits in Zamfara.
The crimes you have in the north, the insecurity you have in the north is as a direct consequence of their own action. They groomed them. Al-Qaeda in the Maghreb, ISIS in West Africa, Boko Haram, Fulani headsmen, bandits, all of them. Who brought them to Nigeria? It's Fulani. Fulani brought them into Nigeria. El Rufai brought them in. Bauchi State Governor brought them in. Are you people deaf and dumb and stupid?
Just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.